and it's about youngsters who want to shine and make a name for themselves in sports. And Marion Serenge is aiming to follow in the footsteps of father and make it big in the global stage. The youngster who shone Chapa Dimba earlier on in the year will be hoping to represent Kenya at the Under-17 World Cup in the Dominican Republic.
Mimi naweza sema tukienda huko tutaenda tu kuparticipate, tunaenda compete so that tufike finals. Ndio hapo ndio many scouts watakuwa na itakuwa easy for us to be scouted. Na mimi aim yangu ni nikifika huko ni play to my part ndio niweze kuwa scouted, nibaki huko. Sasa ball academy haijakuwa rahisi, but naweza sema ukishowcase talent yako ni rahisi kadem kupata opportunities than men. So ukiona uko na talent, uendelea tu work hard na ujue one day itajipa.
I don't know how to summarize it, but all said and done, I must say I'm a proud father. Not because Marion scored for the national team, but for what she has done in the family. We are a family of sportsmen and sportswomen. We are a family of footballers, but none of us has done what Marion has done. And that gives an edge over every other person in the home. And she is not comparable. She's not one person that I can say, I can be able to say, I can think twice about her success. Her success story is a real story. And Marion has really shown the world that you can achieve so much by doing so much. More so, scoring the goal, the first goal in Ulinzi complex. I think that fulfilled my joy as a person and my dream as a coach. And remember, I just come from the ISF World Cup Championship, where I had also performed extremely very well. So I kept on challenging and telling her that me, I've already done what nobody has ever done for Kenya. And now it is remaining you. And she told me, I'm going to challenge you. And indeed, when we went to the stadium, she was the first one to hit the net. That was my most enjoyable moment in my football life. Not being done by Kenya, but being done by my own. And that was Marion.
Now, the national Under-17 girls football team Junior Starlets held a morning training session today ahead of their pre-camp in Spain. The team is to head out for Spain on Thursday.